Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to hide your online on Messenger. So you have to just open the Messenger app on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So when it's open your Messenger, so you have to go back and go to the settings on the top left. So when it's open the setting, so there is minor scroll down to there is active status. So there is active status, so you have to click to the active status. So you have to turn off show when you're active, so you have to turn it off the active status. So you have to pause active status until I change it. So you have to click to the pause until I change it. So now you are hide on Messenger. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.